Hi, I'm Sebastian and this is Sonya. In 2012, we co-founded Nature Unplugged with a mission of inspiring wellness in the digital age. The problem we are addressing is that we are over-connected to tech and disconnected from nature. For example, the average person in the US checks their phones 150 times a day and spends 90% of their time indoors. And this negatively impacts both our mental and physical health.
To be clear, we're not anti-tech. Our services focus on taking back control of the devices in our lives by learning to navigate our noisy digital world with more intention and balance. We provide personalized wellness programs. We lead digital detox retreats and excursions to help you experience nature unplugged and engage with life in a whole new way. We also offer educational workshops and presentations to serve a wider community.